In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete or change your audio track on KineMaster videos. Changing your audio track, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, as you can see, I have here a video track and it has an audio, which is music under it. To remove this, it is quite simple. Just head over to the track and then tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be able to see this delete button here. Once you tap on delete, it will go ahead and remove the audio track on my video. Now that you have removed your audio track, if you want to change it, you can as well go to audio here and then look for the suitable audio to replace it with. So that's how you change or remove audio track on your KineMaster video. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.